Hello. So today, ang ituturo ko kung paano mag-login ng MP4 using your desktop. So, unang-una dapat na-secured nyo na at meron kayong account na meron kayong MP4 application approved. Ganito po ang itsura sa email ninyo na marireceive pag kayo po ay naprubahan ng account. So, basahin nyo lang po yan, but basically, mayroong mga links dito na kailangan mo lang i-download. So sa pinakaunang message, makikita mo tong desktop version. All you have to do is to copy paste it, no? And i-download mo lang at mada-download siya automatically sa account mo. So once ma-download 'yan, click that and install it. So once ma-install, you should be able to see ito po, ganito itsura. So once you have that, click mo lang at lalabas po ang MT4 na parang ganito. But before we log in, make sure na yung login details mo ay kompleto. So ito po yung kabuuang itsura ng email na marireceive ninyo. So meron ditong MT4 number, no? And master's password. So yung MT4 ID is basically yan po yung ID number ng MT4. Yung master's password, yan po yung dapat na nilalagin mo sa desktop. Yung investors naman, yan ay pwede mong ibigay na password at saka login details sa mga kakilala mo. At wag po kayong mag-alala kasi wala naman silang capability to withdraw deposit, close trades, or open trades. That means investors' password is only for viewing. Also, we have two server only, live one and demo account. So since this is a live, you need to be able to see this and save this at all times. So once you're ready, pumunta ka lang sa MT4. Normally, may magpa-pop up na window po yan pag unang-unang page ninyo or unang-unang install. Kung hindi naman siya nag-pop up yung login page, pumunta ka lang ng file, log into trade account. And then, yung server dito, just click live one. This make sure naka-save siya. Then ilagay mo lang kung ano yung nandito, copy paste it, 'di ba? Copy paste mo lang yung nandito and then log in. Now, if for some instance na hindi pa rin kayo maka-login or nagkakaroon ng error, type the login and master's password manually and then you should be able to log in there. So once na maka-login kayo para ma-secure din nyo, pumunta lang kayo ng view, navigator, at dito makikita mo yung mga accounts mo. So if you have accounts ng demo and live, nasa navigator lang yan. So if you have further questions, just PM me and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you.